Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and super freaking delicious burger sauce. I love burger sauce. I feel like it really makes a burger just kind of pop. I love Big Mac sauce, animal sauce, whatever you want to call it, at whatever freaking burger place you're at, but I love burger sauce. So I make a really good one homemade, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It's super easy, and it totally enhances your burger. So we have half of a cup of a mayo. I'm using an avocado oil mayo, but any mayo will do, and you're going to do equal parts ketchup. So just squirt that in, and then get ready to add the other stuff. You're then going to do about a tablespoon or so of mustard, and the same of a Worcestershire. After that, we just have a few simple ingredients. We have a tablespoon of a cider vinegar. We have a tablespoon of our dill pickle relish. Awesome. And then we have a little spice mix here of a dash of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Totally necessary for any good burger sauce. There we go. So then we are going to just mix this all together and add the last ingredient, which I think is an amazing thing. I am not the first person to do this. Some very popular chefs do it. So this is not my idea, but you take the iceberg lettuce, nice and shredded, and put it right into the burger sauce. That way it gets covered in the delicious sauce, and when you throw it in on your burger, you get a little bit of that crunch with the lettuce. Brilliant idea. I love it. Not mine, but we'll add it to my recipe. And that's it, guys. I told you this one was easy. You have yourself a delicious burger sauce here that's gonna go great on your hamburger. It kind of reminds you of a Big Mac sauce. I actually have a Big Mac sauce recipe from the very early on in the early days, so go ahead and check that one out. And that's it. Couldn't have been easier. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.